Let's just go to cursor settings and go to cursor settings. Go to a section called MCP. As you can see, I already have a section here for Neon, but I have pasted basically the same MCP server config that I did earlier. So now if I go back here and type list my database projects, I'm just going to press run tool. And now it has listed all my database projects. And now I'm going to say create a new column called created at and updated at in the docs table. And let's see what it does. So it's going to use the MCP tool for list projects and it's getting the database tables. As you can see, it's going through step by step exactly what you would need to do. And it's preparing the database migrations, for example. And you can see the query as well. So if you feel something is iffy, you can automatically tweak that. It's ordering the table and adding these two columns. And it's going to run the SQL. And let's see what happens. Temporary branch name has been created as well for safety reasons, which is exactly what we want and which is exactly what I was mentioning earlier, that it is going to do it in such a way that it doesn't impact your production data. So now if we go back to the console, you can see I already have the specific branch. If I like this branch, I can then merge it to my existing database. It's creating these branches that will allow us to make queries more safer.